Blazing Bulls Morning Show. Now,
Standing for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Here's your important reminders for the day. The teachers and staff want us to remind you to check your uniforms before you come in the door. Yes, absolutely no hoodies. Is that just for middle school? Nope, all students. Today is middle school's first house games.
We're probably dominating.
What house are you in? Fidelitas. Oh, you probably did.
It's Big Wednesday. Have you set your goals yet? I have a few in mind, so let's just remind everyone what our first habit is. Be proactive. It is so important. We're going to focus on it again next month too. So what does it mean to you to be proactive? It means to be responsible for yourself. What about you? I think about it as how I should always be ready for what I need to do. That's a great way to look at it. How do you think our younger leaders can be proactive? They can start by getting everything they need for school ready the night before. That's a great habit to get into. Next week we'll talk a little more about how we can all practice being proactive.
go!